Hello students and friends. Welcome to Homeopathy Medicines. Today in this homeopathic Materia Medica lesson, I will discuss about homeopathic medicine Agnus castus. Before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel for Learn Homeopathy Online Free and Homeopathy Materia Medica. We need support from you to make this channel more beautiful and more informative. Now going to discuss about Agnus castus, its uses and symptoms. The most effective point of attack of Agnus upon the organism is the sexual organism. It lowers sexual vitality, with corresponding mental depression and loss of nervous energy. It shows this distinctive influence in both sexes, but is more pronounced in men. Premature old age from abuse of sexual power. History of repeated gonorrhea. A prominent remedy for sprains and strains. Gnawing itching in all parts, especially eyes. Tachycardia caused by tobacco in neurotic young men. Mind, sexual melancholy. Fear of death. Sadness with impression of speedy death. Absent-minded, forgetful, lack of courage. Illusion of smell herrings, musk. Nervous depression and mental forebodings. Eyes, pupils dilated. Bell. Itching about eyes, photophobia. Nose, odor of herring or musk. Aching in dorsum, better pressure. Abdomen, spleen swollen, sore. Stools soft, recede, difficult. Deep fissures in anus. Nausea with sensation as if intestines were pressed downwards, wants to support bowels. Male, yellow discharge from urethra. No erections. Impotence. Parts cold, relaxed. Desire gone, sullen, sibyl. Scanty emission without ejaculation. Loss of prostatic fluid on straining. Gleedy discharge. Testicles, cold, swollen, hard, and painful. Female, scanty menses. Abhorrence of sexual intercourse. Relaxation of genitals, with leukorrhea. Agalaxia, with sadness. Sterility. Leukorrhea staining yellow, transparent. Hysterical palpitation with nosebleed. This wonderful remedy is often overlooked. It should come to mind for old sufferers who are broken from sexual excesses and secret vice. The pale, sickly and sad mortals who lament over their misspent life. It is good for both sexes. Sexual weakness, relaxation of parts. Perversion of all the functions. A woman who indulged extensively in secret vice, found after marriage that she had no sexual thrill, was cured by this remedy. Later she was confined and no milk came in her mammy. Again Agnus started the belated milk at the end of 3 weeks. When the milk ceases after it has started, or becomes scanty when the above history is known, and the woman is sad, this remedy will, if not opposed, most likely cure. It cures uterine hemorrhage, and restores suppressed menses in young women with a history. The vagina is much relaxed, there is often prolapsus, and there is a copious white of egg like leukorrhea. But the pitiful, woebegone young man, heartbroken over his early life, now finds himself newly married, and impotent. He has had gonorrhea, he has lived in excesses, and now suffers from relaxed and cold genitalia, emissions, prostatic discharge at stool. His young and beautiful wife excites no erection, though only recently he had a clandestine success, and he has morning erections but no more. Out of the above cause and condition come many distressing symptoms. Loss of memory, despair, suicidal thoughts, anxiety, fear and peevishness. These patients suffer from headaches, photophobia and nervous symptoms too numerous to mention. Formication of the skin. Tearing pains of head, face and teeth. All but the simplest food disorders the stomach, and he complains much of nausea. His muscles are flabby. He is anemic, and his glands are enlarged, especially the spleen. He is growing increasingly flatulent. The abdominal viscera hang down as a weight. There is a growing weakness of the rectum and constipation, and he presses hard at stool, which often fails and slips back, like silica, sanic and thuja. The stool is large and hard. Itching, smarting at the anus, noisy flatus of a urinous odor. Excoriated anus. He soon takes on a hacking cough and night sweats. The limbs are tired and cold. He is sensitive to cold, and wants to remain quiet. Exertion and motion intensify his complaints. He has been to many advisors, and they have told him he has neurasthenia. He must have Agnus castus. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like Agnus castus, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. To learn homeopathy course online free with Homeopathy Materia Medica. Comment us your feedback and what you want in the next video. Like and share this video with your friends and family. For paid and free consultancy online, visit homeopathymedicines.com and mashclinic.com. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay happy.